In this video, I will be showing you how to set up a Netflix account. First, open Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Then, type Netflix in your search browser. When you found Netflix, click the top link. This will be the official Netflix website. When you're on the website, you can try 30 days free trial by providing them your email address. Hit continue. Add a password to your Netflix account. Make sure you write down your password. Google Chrome will prompt you to save your password. Click Save so it will autofill next time you use it. Select your Netflix plan. Most people want to use the standard plan, which gives quality resolution. The $8.99 plan only gives 480p, which is quite low quality. The standard definition is your best bet. Click Continue. Next, provide them either your credit card number, PayPal, or a Netflix gift card to set up your account. If you're using a gift card, type in your gift card PIN or code and the zip code you're redeeming it from. Your first month is free, so please remember that. If you're using PayPal, provide them your PayPal email address and password by clicking Continue to PayPal. Don't worry, this is a secure method. Finally, you can enter your credit card or debit card information here and click Start Membership. Once your account is ready, you will be able to access the Netflix website and sign in on your phone using the email address and password that you provided.